Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jess. We're not at the Sweet 16. I actually came down to see a good friend of mine, Mr. Paul Glidewell. A lot of you guys know him as the Bearded Carpenter. He's a super famous YouTuber, and I basically want to be like him. And I've been watching this guy for a long time, man. He was actually one of the very first Arkansas YouTubers that I learned about whenever I first started my channel, and I just kind of started wanting to reach out and find other YouTubers in the area and stuff like that. And Paul, you're a living legend, man.
I'm living.
You are, and I'm telling you, I'm so jazzed to be here. Me and Paul have the same exact sawmill, and we've been talking for a really long time. I guess we started talking about a year and a half ago. Mm-hmm. Wasn't too much longer after I started my YouTube channel. Been wanting to come down here for a long time, and we have the same sawmill, but Paul has just absolutely blown it out of the ballpark, man. He just recently got this sawmill shed built, and he's built his own track. He can cut super long logs and stuff that I can't do up at the Sweet 16. So I brought some logs down here today, and Paul has offered to give me some pointers and some tricks and some tips about using the sawmill. I'm a rookie. Paul's been doing this type of stuff for a really long time. I've been wanting to come down here for a long time, and I want to build a cover over my sawmill, and I wanted to look at his design and pick his brain and stuff like that. And we did a little tour today, and he's kind of showing us the property. My main man, Rob, is standing right there. He's on drone like normal. He's going to be helping out today. And we did cut some logs the other day, Paul. We did. And so far from what I've heard, just you talking about some of this stuff, I've already learned. Wow. I've already learned things. So I'm going to quit yakking. We're going to get some logs unloaded, put them up on the sawmill, and we're going to start going to town. And I'm just going to let Paul teach me how to do some stuff. So glad you guys are here, but we got to get to work. Guys, that's going to do it for the Bearded Carpenter show today. What do y'all think, man? Paul, thank you, brother. been wanting to come down here for a long time, man. We had a lot of fun. Went out to eat today. Cut a bunch of cedar, man. It was friggin' awesome. You guys already know I'm going to be coming down, man. We're Woodland Mills brothers, you know what I'm saying? He's helping me just kind of give me some tips and pointers on how to saw logs right and all the little tricks and things they don't teach you in the rule book, you know what I'm saying? So also, I got to build one of these sawmill sheds, man. Check that dude out. Go by and check out Paul's channel if you haven't already. He builds this whole sawmill shed on his channel. You guys got to go check it out. And I'm going to build one too. I don't know if it's going to be as nice as Paul's, but
it'll be better.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Maybe if you come help me.
I'll do that.
And, you know, maybe Paul will come up to the Sweet 16 and give me a hand. You know what I'm saying? Rob, come here, Rob. He helped us all day long too, man. Thanks, buddy. Rob's back at it again, man. Give me a hand all the time. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Really appreciate y'all watching. Do us all a great, big, huge favor and go hit that subscribe button if you're not already. If you liked any part of this video, give us a great, big, huge thumbs up, like. And if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments. That's all you got to do, guys. That's it for the Sawmill Show. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Thank you, Paul!
I can't do nothing like that. I'd be talking about being lost in Shreveport.
This guy, man, I'm telling you guys, we've had a blast. I do a little thing on my channel, like with some deleted scenes and stuff, and you know, sometimes it's just fun, but sometimes we get serious. And I just want you guys to know that Paul is an absolute master at his trade. Okay, they don't call him the bearded carpenter for nothing. This guy's got over 50 years of building.
No, wait a minute, wait. You're telling how old I am. I keep that a secret.
He's got several years under his belt of being a carpenter. And, you know, he learned from his daddy. And he's been building log homes since he was a young man. What, in your 20s? Even younger than that, whenever you first started? Teenager?
I think you mean give all my secrets.
No, okay. No secrets. This man has been building log homes forever. You know what I'm saying? Just take my word for it. And I want to build some log homes too, man. I've been dreaming about doing this my whole entire life. And I just feel blessed to even know you, man. I really do. There's a lot of people on YouTube that'd like to know this guy, you know, much less live right by him, you know what I'm saying? It's just a hop, skip, and a jump from the Sweet 16 over to Paradise Point and where Paul lives and his wife and everything and where the sawmill is. And if we can, we're going to get Paul over to our land, the Sweet 16, and he's going to show me some stuff over there, and we're going to kind of go over some ideas with some trees and stuff like that, because we want to start cutting some trees down, you know, just to kind of get them ready to build a log home someday. And it'd be awesome to have you, come over and just kind of help me, show me what I need to look for. You know what I mean? So, guys, give Paul some love, man. He's really been helping me out. We came down here and spent all day long with him just teaching. And I'm telling you, I feel like I need to reach deep down in my pocket and give this man some money, because his knowledge is super valuable to me, and I really do appreciate it. So if you're not familiar with Paul, please go by his channel. Give him a big subscribe. Tell him I sent you. Give him a like. Leave him a nice comment. And please do that for me, because he helped me out tremendously. And that's it. I'm walking around the other side of the shed here, and I'm going to take my camera off this tripod. I'm going to throw it in my camera bag, and we're going to hit the road. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jess. This is my buddy Paul right here, the bearded carpenter. Look at this light, man. That's horrible. We should probably redo this because our faces are black. That's way better. All right. Fired up, right, Paul's going to clean this. All right, Paul's going to clean up the end of the log real quick. Oh, what happened? Oh, Paul, what happened?
Okay. I won't use that one.
I don't know if you guys just caught that, but Paul hit that little steel saw a couple times and the dadgum string broke.
Hadn't been started. Kind of get the center, and I'll kind of get the center this way. I'm gonna look at that. Yeah, it's pretty straight. And it's got a little seat here. Okay. Just got a 2x4 just lay across there. And just measure up to that center. And it's somewhat around 7 5/8. About 7 there. But this works well for me.
I got one of these just sitting out there at the tiny camper pop-up.
Same, 7 1/2.
Okay.
Sometimes go pretty deep.
Yeah.
Like here.
Yeah.
And sometimes you saw out of it. But that's the problem with cedar. These places like this, the grain can grow in.
Yeah.
Sometimes nearly to the heart.
Yeah. About putting that on the tiny house. And then come back up. Okay, yep, that's where I messed up on.
What I have noticed about the siding, they'll have one straight edge.
Yeah.
straight anyway. But
yeah, I could see where having that one straight edge would help you, like measuring and leveling and stuff like that, where
if you did it like the way I lay out a log, do I have a practice for it?
center of the mark.
Okay. Okay, now that is exact center of your board. Center, then work your way out, laying out walls or whatever.
Yeah.
Go ahead and lock this in.
I put the clamps, you know, sideways, and it's hitting the concrete, you know what I mean?
So I'm a little bit off right there.
Pretty good. Start cutting some major logs to even get enough wood to even build my thing like you did.
We can get her done. Now we can
we haven't cut any pine. And I can mark them, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, where'd you get that?
Yeah.
You know, just either some of the sayings that we have in the South, he'll use them.
All right, guys, we just got done cutting up the very first log, and Paul has been showing me all kinds of tips and tricks, man. Just stuff would have took me forever to learn on my own. He's just teaching me all of it today, and yeah, there's a lot that goes into this, especially to be as meticulous about it as Paul is, and just really working hard to try to do it the right way, you know what I mean? And that's just incredible to me, because he can teach me more in one day than I would have learned on my own, or watching 100 YouTube videos of people doing this. This man right here has already got it figured out. So I think we might do another log. We might go get something to eat. I don't know. Just keep watching. We're just now getting going. I'm glad you're here. I'm with the bearded carpenter, Mr. Paul right there, and Rob, and we're just having a great day sawing logs, man. It doesn't get any better than this. All right.
I could never do what you just did. I don't have that.
I guess. Y'all ready?
Yep.
All right, guys, we're back, man. We went in town, got something to eat, and we're back at the sawmill. We got 3 logs left. We're going to try to get these cut up and get them loaded back on the trailer. I brought them down here for Paul to keep. Paul's insisting that I take them. So I'm going to take him up on it, because he knows, and you know, and I know we do need some of this cedar to get that tiny house finished, and that's definitely a priority. We've been working really hard trying to get the homestead cleaned up and everything like that, and we're about to jump back on the tiny house, and Paul is just a huge help in getting it. Paul is just a huge help in helping me get my sawmill lined out and show me some tricks and all that kind of stuff. So I really appreciate him. And if you guys have been living under a rock and don't know who this man is, it's the Bearded Carpenter. Go check out his channel. I'm so lucky to be even standing here with the man, because his knowledge is just infinite on this stuff. And, you know, whatever he could teach me, that much better, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to jump back on these logs, try to get some more cut up, and just keep watching, because we're still working. Here we go.
Now I've got to really perform.
No pressure, Paul. No pressure.
I don't know much. I've already showed you more than I really know. I made part of that up as I went along.